Hello and good afternoon on this lovely Sunday morning. Good Sunday afternoon. I apologize. I have just received a new parcel. This is something I've been eagerly awaiting. It came in this rather large envelope, almost the size, to give you an idea, of a binder. It's much larger. And it was delivered to me by the Westminster. And inside, I have not yet opened these, but there are two boxes, and both of them are the same. So I'm really looking forward to seeing the quality of these items, and it's something that I really look forward to. I've been waiting for them for a while. I know that they're a limited number. First, before I go on with that, I just really wanted to show you, and a lot of new stackers. Let's see if I can zoom in on this. You get the reflection, I apologize. My trial piece. So that's from the Royal Mail, Royal Mint, I apologise. It's a trial piece, £1 coin, 2015. So, right, let's get one of these open and I'll come, well, let's see if I can actually do this first. Right, okay, looks like it's going to be a simple job. So I can do this. Ooh, red. I like red. Was that a giveaway? Now I have paid, obviously, over the price for any kind of spot value. That's empty. Put that aside. But Coca-Cola silver collectible coin. Two of these. Pure silver, legal tender. It's the real thing. I was hoping it was going to say at least always Coca-Cola. That's one of their slogans, isn't it? Let's see here, I don't want to damage this. So, right. Yeah, I'll be right back and I'll open the top. Okay, and welcome back. Sorry for that. I didn't really want to damage anything in here, especially with the premiums. So all I've done was I've opened this top and I haven't done anything further. So I'm going to take this out very carefully. It has a lovely presentation inside. Let's get this plastic off for a minute. Check, there's nothing else in that box, no. Right, let's see here. I'll give you a nice view. It's a very large size here, but I'm just hoping it's not a screw around because I really don't want to have to pop this back on. Nope, there you go. Okay. Right, so all of that for Coca-Cola. Just checking if it is in a capsule. Yes, it is, thankfully. Right. It's 2018, $1. It's 6 grams. So it truly is just a collectible piece. You're not going to get your money back on it for the actual bullion side. I don't normally like having anything enameled, painted, or whatever, but this is in a perfect bottle top, shape. And they even made a special capsule just for this, if you can see. How awesome is that? It just sits very proud And I'll be a little bit OCD by putting it here. So it goes in. Look at that beautiful thing. I mean, it's had a mintage of 25,000. And wow, yeah, it is just awesome. Let me bring you over to the website. As I said, I do have a second one. I don't feel the need actually to open this right now, because it's just going to go straight back in my collectible box. But actually, no, come. You wanted to see it, you're going to see it. Just so you see that I got the second. So one will go to one boy, one will go to the other. So hopefully it's something they will cherish. So I have two there. I'm not going to pop it out. Just to give you an idea. How awesome is that? And as we've seen, so fantastic. I'm over the moon for this. As I said, it has cost me more than obviously any kind of spot you like, but I'm very pleased. Anyway, please remember that there's a giveaway I'm still doing. It's going on, and it finishes on the 30th of June. Just to kind of go on to other bits, so make sure that you check that out. Ensure that as well you read all the terms and conditions that apply. There's my Kew Gardens. Offsides. The Wild Trust. Shooting. One of the sovereign statues. I mean, this is just a few of my little bits and bobs. Most of them I tend to actually buy through a company that's called Change Checker, just so that you know. That way I know that they're uncirculated, mint condition, etc., etc. Some of them that I have here on the other front, some Peter Rabbits. These are the ones that are really difficult to actually grab a hold of. Beatrix Potter, so on and so forth. That previous one that you had seen there is a large 5-pound coin. Just to give you another bit on the front here. It's His Royal Highness, the Duke of Edinburgh. Flopsy Bunny. I'm actually expecting some more of these from the series, so we'll keep an eye out. Here's another one from the series. The Vulcan, you had the, I believe, Spitfires on below. Yeah, so anyway, Coca-Cola, guys. We all know that Coca-Cola is collectible, especially over time. So what do you think? Good investment? Bad investment? Would you have it? I'm curious to know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and make sure that you go over to that raffle and, sorry, not raffle, the giveaway. I apologize because there's nothing that I'm raffling off. It's purely a giveaway on my behalf. But go over to the giveaway and make sure you read the terms and conditions. Please give me a thumbs up and a like, and you know, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Have a great week. Bye.